Once upon a time, there were two dogs, a Tom and a Tony. Both belonged to a man and lived with him. Tom was a good hunter. The man would take Tom along with him whenever he went hunting. The Tony's job was simple. He had to watch the house, while the man and Tom were away. One day, when the man and Tom returned from their hunt, the man as usual gave a large portion of the spoils to Tony. This upset Tom very much. He went to Tony and said, "It's not fair. I work so hard to search for food. You don't do any work, yet the man gives you such a big share of our hunt." Tony heard him quietly and then replied, "My dear friend, it's not my fault. Rather, it is the man's mistake, as he did not teach me how to work hard. Thus, I depend on both of you for food." Tom thought about this and realized that Tony would never be able to provide for himself. He felt sorry for Tony.